have my piece ready. It's all clean, dust free. I can start mixing the Rubio Monocoat. You have to put 3 parts of the Oil Plus 2C, the component 2C, and then 1 part of the accelerator. I'm gonna make it. Also, you want to make sure that you mix it correctly. You mix it at least for 30 seconds. Give it a good mix. So now that I have my mix here, I will make sure that both of them are completely mixed together. And I need more of this. Here I am using the one that is called Pure. You can see it here, Rubio Monocoat, and then the accelerator. So these are the 2 that I like to use for all my projects. I'm gonna wear some gloves. You don't have to wear gloves, but I just don't like to get my hands dirty, so I will get some gloves on. And also make sure that I have my lint-free rag so I can wipe it off. And let's get that. I have my lint-free rags here. These are going to be the ones that I'm going to clean off the excess of the coat that I am using right now. This is going to bond to the wood, so it's really good. It's really amazing. I really suggest that you can use it for all your wood projects because it really gives a nice, smooth, beautiful finish. So I have a scraper here. You can use the scraper to spread the finish, but I also have my so I can go in the places that are very tight. So you guys get the idea of what I'm doing right now. I'm just spreading all the